I want to show you how to earn money watching video ads online, and you just need to do 3 things. 1, you need to have a phone or a computer. 2, you're going to go to a website. And 3, you're going to get paid the same day. Just look at the recent payouts on this site. And worldwide. I mean, look at all these countries. They have tons of payouts every single day. Let's do some money math. If you look around 1 click, it's going to be an average around 85 cents. If you look at an average of 250 clicks, it's about $43.50. And 100 clicks is around $87. Listen, I teach you how to make money online and different ways how to do just that. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and smash the subscribe button, demolish the notification bell, so that way you're going to get an update and a notification whenever I can come up with new content for you, and then you don't miss any of the magic. You're going to want to stay to the end of the video because I have a huge bonus for you. I'm going to show you another way to make money online from the comfort of your own home. First, let's get into the video. We're going to go to the site lightgpt.com. And actually, there are several ways to make money, on the site. There's 2 that's the most popular. You have video ads, and then you have paid ads, which is paid to click ads, which means you get paid to click on a website or advertisements. Trust me, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I love the fact that the threshold is only 50 cents, and you can cash out in 1 day. The site also has several payment options like Bitcoin, Faucet Pay, Payeer, coin payments. Hey, put in the comments what your favorite payout method is. Okay, you actually need to sign up to make the money. So on the main page, on the home page, you just click on register, and it's a free account. Okay, we're going to put your username, create your own username, and then your email address. You're going to create a password, type it again, refer. I'm not making this video to try to make money off of it, just trying to teach you an extra way to make some cash. Okay, we're entering those 3, and then we're going to click register. But if you pay attention, if you go up here, it says click or touch the balloon. Also, it can make sure that you're able to do it in your country. And then you're going to click on register. Now we're going to go to bucksinside.com. bucksinside.com. Okay, hey, the more sites that you sign up for, the more money that you're going to earn watching video ads. So we signed up for LightGPT. It doesn't pay as much as this one, and I have another one for you. So I wanted you to go ahead and check this one out because this one's going to pay a little more than the other one. And get paid every 10 seconds. Pretty cool, right? If you look at their payments, and it shows where everything, you can live anywhere through here. Method PayPal. You don't like that? Look at this money. Not too shabby, right? Listen, if you're liking this video, give me a thumbs up. They also have several payment options. PayPal, you gotta love that. I'm not gonna pronounce it. ADV Cash, BitGold. So you have several to choose from. They also have it where you can cash out in 1 day. And the threshold on this site is only $2, which is very easy to get. Next thing we need to do, click on register. Okay, we're going to put in our username, our payment email, confirmation email, referred by. I'm not trying to make money off of it. Currency, your payment method. They have PayPal, ADV Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase. We should like that one. AirTM. Your birth date. Again, the light bulb. You just click on the light bulb. I declare yes, and then register. Okay, once you get signed in, and by the way, they're going to send you a password in your email that you have to enter in. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first come to it, and then you're going to want to start clicking on some stuff. So let's go to view ads, and then for example, let's click an ad. Okay, it'll open up a site, and you have to stay on the site for 30 seconds. Now, if you're thinking that you have to sign up for anything else, no, you don't. You don't. Really? Then you need to have a clicking fest. I would just start clicking on here and clicking more and more. I actually would open 10. I'd click on 10 sites. They do have to stay open for 30 seconds. And this way you save time and money. It's so simple. Just click on a banner ad and get paid. The other way to earn money watching ads online is just clicking on a video, and you only have to be on that ad for 30 seconds. So you would click on a video and then just simply watch the ads. So we're going to go to hideout.co, and it's Hideout TV, and you're going to find different videos and video ads to watch. There are tons of videos that you can watch, definitely, to make some money online. So to make sure that you get paid, just click and sign up at the top and get started. Okay, so let's sign up. Top right hand corner. Okay, we can sign up with Facebook, Google, choose your username, your email, your password. I'm at least 13 years old. You're not a robot. Sign me up. Then you're ready to start clicking away. Remember, every ad that you watch, the more that you get paid. Some videos won't have an advertisement, and some of them might have like 2 or 3. Again, what I would do is I would open like 10 tabs, especially if you're on a computer. Remember, you can use this on a computer or a PC. So just watch the videos. Remember, you have to be open for 30 seconds, and then you get paid. And there's so many to choose from. It's like so easy. I hope you like that method. However, it's considered active, and I want you to have passive income. So if you click the link down in the description, it's the first description, it will tell you how you can create your own business and leave your 9 to 5. Seriously, it's the first link in the bio. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Did you like the video? Did you like it? And if you did, then you're definitely gonna want to watch the one that's next up screen. And I will see you on the next one.